how to enable or disable JavaScript in Google Chrome. You can press on the three dots, go to Settings, press on Privacy and Security, press on Site Settings. Here, under Content, we have JavaScript. Let's press on that. We can set settings as an enable JavaScript or disable JavaScript. Furthermore, we can add certain sites specifically to use JavaScript. Let's say Gmail. In this example, here I can allow, which is the default. But let's imagine I want to not allow YouTube, for example. Then I can do something like this, bracket, dot, these are regular expressions, let's say youtube.com. But then I won't be able to use YouTube in this example because YouTube will rely on JavaScript. Okay, so you can specifically add a site to allow to use JavaScript, allow to use JavaScript. Let's say I will allow YouTube only. Then I can set that here. Or I can block a certain site to use JavaScript, or sites can use JavaScript and allow all sites to use JavaScript.